Hello everyone. For those who don't know me, I am Beverly Jackson and I would like to be your go-to gal when you have a kitchen problem. Today I'd like to talk to you about the snack bar maker, but first let me ask you a question. If you're like me, you probably enjoy the ease of those pre-wrapped snacks that you can just pull out of your purse, out of the diaper bag, and give them to your kid while you're on the go, maybe at t-ball practice this summer. For my boys, I like those pre-wrapped snacks. But have you ever looked at the back and the ingredients in that? I've noticed my kids actually do better if I stay away from the high sugar foods and the dyes. So what are you to do if you need the convenience of something individually wrapped so they don't eat the entire thing and overeat and not want dinner, but you need something that's easy to give them? Well, my friend, the snack bar maker, comes in handy, and it's dirty because it's used, and I'll show you why in a minute. So I know exactly what is going in to my snacks that I make my boys with my snack bar maker. In fact, I recently made some teething biscuits for my daughter with 3 simple ingredients because she's at that age where she wants to feed herself but doesn't have the skills to handle a spoon and puree. You want to see my daughter? There she is. Let's not eat that. Here. You want your teething biscuit? Okay. So the snack bar maker has changed the scene in my house and made me feel like a winner because I control what goes in my boys' growing bodies and have better behavior because of it. It is made of flexible silicone, making it really easy to pop those teething biscuits, granola bars, even the mom survival tip I have for moms like me, chocolate candy bars. You can make those in here. And yes, they're for mommies. So, and you can make your no-bakes in there. You can make your baked goods because it goes in the oven. You can throw it in the dishwasher when you're done, which I'm going to do after I get off this live, so that it's clean and ready for me to make the granola bars for the boys' t-ball. It is freezer safe. What, sugar? Did you drop it? Yeah, you dropped it. You want to come here? Yeah, you won't be on camera too. Okay, come here. You can throw it in the freezer to make frozen yogurt bars. There are so many recipes on Pampered Chef website for that snack bar maker. If you enjoy the snack bar maker, you may want the batter bowl to quickly whip up your favorite treat and pour it in, or the 3-cup glass container to store your treats in so they stay fresh and ready for snack time. So thank you for joining me, and comment below with your favorite way to use the snack bar maker if you have one, or what you would use it for if you don't have one. Thanks, guys.